Dude, where are we? The road doesn't even have markings anymore. Where the f are we? What the f?
Oh, shit.
Oh my God. Y'all good? Oh, good morning. Just kidding. It's like 2 o'clock. We were supposed to leave here at 9, but it didn't end up working out. But I'll tell you guys that in just a second. First, I gotta load up my bag and then wipe my windshield down. And then we're peeling out of here. You guys know the drill. I had to get the camera. I ain't sly like that. Today, we're headed to Tail of the Dragon. It's kind of a long story, and we're gonna go through this really freaking fast. So if you're part of the Dragon community, you probably know Killboy, along with a media company and Atlanta Custom Wraps, is trying to start a TV show. Now, what this TV show is, how it's formatted, no clue. I have no idea. The only thing I know is that it's about driving, it's about mountain driving, it's about track driving, it's about race car shit. I was like, this is perfect, dude. I'm all about race car shit. I'm gonna call Cody. I'm gonna be like, hey, you're gonna meet me at the Dragon this weekend? He's gonna be like, okay, sick, dude. My car totally won't blow up an hour into the road trip or nothing. Now that's the bad news. An hour into Cody's road trip, his differential literally exploded. There's no way to sugarcoat it. So, long story short, it's the afternoon now. He's gonna meet me there in a different car and just ride with me this weekend. And we got tons of fun activities planned for this afternoon. Let's go to the goofy road trip montage.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight.
What's up, dude?
What's up, bitch?
You ready to go to Gatlinburg?
Yes, sir. Do I have a Z? I know I do not.
We got a whole day full of activities and it's already like 5:30, so we gotta get the show on the road. Step 1, poop. Step 2, flush said poop. And step 3, we're heading to Gatlinburg, baby.
What about white?
We don't have time for wiping. To Gatlinburg we go. We gotta lower my tire pressure down because we're hitting the Dragon on the way to Gatlinburg. Are you my mechanic? Since you're not a driver this weekend, you're the mechanic. Drop it down to like 35.
These are
They're
terrible.
not 35. No, they're not.
Yeah, they are. Michelin's are better. What is he running?
Oh, he's running Michelin's.
So what exactly happened today?
What do you mean? I sold it.
What do you mean you sold
I
it?
traded it in for that.
That one's faster.
Nah, but I was just cruising about an hour into my trip. Got off on the exit that I was supposed to get on, didn't downshift or nothing, was just cruising.
And you just went pop?
Nah, nothing went pop. I heard like metal, like, it wasn't really metal grinding. It sounded like you had like a metal tray on the ground. So I was like, maybe I ran over something. 100% knew I didn't, but I got out, nothing was under the car. Tried to put it back into first, let off the clutch all the way, did not move. And then it started making a I was like, there goes my diff.
Well, luckily you got a warranty. So we just filled up with gas and we're headed to the Tail of the Dragon right now. The plan is we're only gonna make a run down and then we're gonna hit Foothills Parkway and drive it all the way to Gatlinburg. If you guys have watched the channel for a while, last time we were here, you'll probably know that it was snowing and it was really cold when we came. Well, the parkway was closed and we didn't get to go on it, and that's something he really wanted to do, was hit the parkway, and we never got a chance to do it. But today, it's summertime, so it shouldn't be closed, and if it is, I'm gonna be pissed. But that's where we're headed. We're gonna make one run down to the Dragon, and then Foothills Parkway's at the very bottom of it. I'm pretty sure they're building a house back there.
Yeah, that's Justin's.
Is it?
Yeah, that's where Justin just bought land.
All right, so we're on the Dragon. We're only making one pass today. We'll probably make more tomorrow, but since you don't have a car, you down to switch halfway through?
Yeah.
So about what, like 6 miles in, we'll switch, and then yeah, I guess we'll just take turns all the way to Gatlinburg. What the?
Oh, shit.
Oh my God.
And there's state right there, too.
Y'all good? Is everything okay? You good? Okay. He did not look at me.
Well, we came up on him going like 60 to 0.
Ooh, all right, I'm glad he has a cop car there, because that is scary. I guess some guy went down the hill on his motorcycle, because there was some guy I was like, why is that guy just like making a hike? And then came around the corner and there was a damn tow truck in my lane. I'm gonna go a little slow until we get out of the reach of that trooper. Oh my God. Those guys were ripping. This is the corner I almost died on. Oh my God, I thought that was a cop on a motorcycle for a second. I was like, oh God. We already have another incident in one run. We haven't even switched out yet. Is that a GTR?
That's GTR, man.
Oh my God! Damn, that car is beautiful. That's a
What's the
765 LT.
Oh, and the new 86.
And the new 86. Look at that. I don't think I've seen one of those up close yet. Time switch?
Yeah.
Let's switch.
This is for you.
Thank you, my good sir. All right, it wasn't exactly halfway because we're already at the scenic view, but better late than never. All right, let's roll. You ready to fucking rip, dude?
Yeah, let's do
Let's
it.
fucking go. Put her in gear and let's fucking let her rip tater chip, brother. Don't fucking get us killed, Jesus. Woo! This guy's just sitting here watching. Yo, driving when you can ride. Oh my God. Ooh, never mind. I like driving. I like driving. Oh God. You're letting her rip, brother. Holy shit. Guy's letting it loose. I hate riding with people, dude. F this. Damn, you didn't come here to play around, did you?
Well, I didn't get to bring my car, so I'm a little mad.
He was like, I'm not gonna be driving as fast as you, and then late breaks the first fucking corner we go on. I swear to God, if this road is closed, I'm actually gonna throw a temper tantrum. We're good! Oh, it's freshly paved too, hell yeah.
You know what that means, right?
We're not going anywhere. We still aren't going anywhere. We still aren't going anywhere. Oh my God, there's a squirrel! We about just creamed a squirrel. Dude, it is like, it's froggy fresh, dude. This road is like just now been paved. Last time we came here, there was rocks literally on the road, so our paint got destroyed. It's like smooth as butter now. Wait, what? Are you, you're shitting me, right? Why is it closed? There's literally no pavement. It's like, they repaved it, but they didn't finish. You gotta be shitting me.
Somebody's fired.
All right, well, I guess we're going on the boring road now. Why does every fun thing we try and do just never work? I don't even think we got close to halfway. Because like it said it was gonna take us an hour just to get to the end of it. And we only got like maybe 15 minutes in. Hopefully it'll reopen up a little farther down though. This is kind of sketch because we literally have zero service and we don't know where we're at. So I guess we're just gonna keep going straight because this road's going the right way, but we might get lost. This might turn into I got lost at the Dragon. Gone sexual. Where the f did we end up, dude? This is getting sketchy real fast. We have no idea where we are. We're just driving straight until something comes up or we get service, I guess. Dude, where are we? The road doesn't even have markings anymore. Where the f are we? There's not even enough room for 2 cars. I'm kind of scared. Like, I feel like we're gonna get like murdered out here. Dude, am I seeing that right? Or does that say Foothills Parkway? Oh, what did you do? Get us back to Foothills! Yo, so like, I guess we've been right beside Foothills this whole time, but we're just on like a curvier version of it or something. I don't know what's going on here.
It's kind of a lit road though.
It's kind of lit though. It's curvy.
sketch.
Yeah, it is sketchy. All right, Foothills Parkway. Can we get in?
Road work ahead. I sure hope it does.
Get the f out of the car. Leave. Get the f out.
Fine.
He's actually leaving. He's all right, fine then. I'm leaving too. Are you done with the jokes? Get in the car, let's go. All right, I got faith in this road being open.
Yeah.
So we're about to see. We drove like 40 minutes out of the way because they decide summer's the best time to repave the Foothills Parkway. So please be open. It's closed that way, please. Yes, let's go. What? Uh-oh. We got a cool looking bridge. It's really short. That wasn't very cool. I thought it was gonna be so much cooler. Yo, is this it? No way. Is this it? Yo! Let's go, baby! This is it! This is what we've been waiting for like years now to come here. All right, we gotta turn around and get some pictures. Where should we take a picture? Just right here? I
Yeah,
guess?
probably just right here.
Yo, this is sick! We've been waiting so long to come here. Yo, is this not crazy? This is wild. This is what we came here for.
Look at Ryan in his natural habitat.
Shut up.
Do I run him over? I gotta put it in gear first. Do I run him over?
Ready to go?
Yeah.
No! Look at this dude's hair! His hair is white! No way! He hung up. Is it?
Yep. Sadly.
I think that's it.
Yep.
Well, that's fun. Well, we tried to drive the whole Foothills Parkway, but it didn't work out. So we drove like, what, half of it maybe? Let's go get some moonshine. Yo, are we alcoholics or what?
I don't know how we got here.
You don't know how we got here?
No.
How much are they?
No, it doesn't tell you.
It doesn't tell you? It's a surprise when you check out?
Or it's free.
What are you doing?
I found some free samples.
That looks like ranch.
Here you go. No, it's the white lightning. You're good. Drink it. All right, that's enough in the alcoholism store. Is that fair enough to say?
I'm not even here right now.
We got the casting call tomorrow.
Rise up.